Hey guys, welcome to Craft Time. Today we're going to be making penny spinners. For this one, all you need is a small paper plate, a penny, or I guess you could use a dime if you needed to, markers, or I did this one with crayons. I think markers work a little bit better because it makes the color a little bit sharper. And then if you want to add some just different designs, you can do tissue paper or cut up construction paper. Scissors and glue, and then it helps if you have a ruler to do the different quadrants. So this is kind of what it looks like. That was terrible, I'm sorry, but it works like that. And so I started off with just measuring out, finding the middle of the paper plate, and then measuring out quadrants, and then I colored the different colors, and then I'm going to glue some tissue paper just to add a little bit of contrast. Do that really quick. So we're not going to get too fancy with this. They're all sticking to me. That's the problem with tissue paper and glue, is it ends up, everything starts sticking to each other. All right, so that's what we're gonna, so it's gonna look kind of like that. And then all we have to do is cut a little spot in the very center for the penny to fit. You may want to have a parent help you with this because it does get a little tricky. I'm just gonna poke a hole and then try to cut. And you want it to be a pretty snug fit, so you don't want it too big. So you may have to do it kind of small and then add a little bit more if you need to. There we go. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to show you guys. It's kind of it's hard to do a side view. So you'll stick it halfway through, and then you should be able to, and you may need to do a little bit more just so you have a grip on it. And there it goes. So there is our penny spinner. That one worked a lot better than my other one. And it's nice, you see all the different colors, and then it's nice to have those white spots on there with whatever paper you use. It just makes it look a little bit cooler whenever you're spinning it. So, all right, that is a penny spinner, and if you guys make this craft, I hope you'll share those pictures with us. If you got a Summer Reading Club goodie bag, you should have already had a paper plate in there if you want to use that one. All right, thanks guys.